Hi everyone and welcome back. In this video I am going to show you how to download and install Docker on Windows. Open a browser, search Docker for Windows, hit enter. Open this first link. Here we have a different version of Docker for Windows. Click on Docker desktop for Windows x64 and 32. It is 532 megabit. Scroll down, system requirement. You need to fix this requirement. First, you need to install WSL. If you don't have already installed WSL, open CMD. Right here, WSL. Hit enter. If you get this message, it means you don't have installed WSL. For installing WSL, right here WSL install. Hit enter. Downloading Ubuntu. Okay. It is finished. After that, check the other requirement. It is Windows requirement. You need Windows 11 64-bit Home or Pro version of 22H2 or higher. This requirement is also for Windows 10. It is Windows 10 64-bit 22H2. Check it on the system. Open Run, press Windows with R. Type this command when ver. Okay. Now I have this version. The other requirement is enable Windows. Open turn Windows feature on or off. Please wait. Okay. Find Windows subsystem for Linux. Enable it. Okay. Searching for required files. Windows complete the required change. Here we have two options: restart now, don't restart. The other requirement we need, it is virtualization. Click on start. Click on CPU. Make sure the virtualization is enabled on your system. After that, come to this PC, download. Here we download Docker. For installing Docker, double click on Docker. Configuration, add shortcut on desktop. Okay, we need shortcut. Installation succeed. If you get any error during the installation, restart your system and try again. When you log out, your system will restart. After restart, open Docker, accept. Welcome to Docker. Okay. Work email address. We don't need. Escape. Guys, if this video is helpful for you, please like this video. If you are new here, subscribe the channel for more useful content. I hope you enjoy from this video. Have a good time. See you soon.